Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Quinoa Moong Dal Khichdi. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 cup of quinoa and 1/4 cup of yellow moong dal. Rinse both thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. Next, prepare your aromatics by finely chopping 1 medium onion, 1 ripe tomato, and 1 small green chili. This initial preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and delicious results. Now let's build the flavor base. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee or your preferred cooking oil in a pressure cooker over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small pinch of asafoetida, letting them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add your chopped onion, tomato, and green chili. Sauté these until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, releasing their wonderful aromas. It's time to combine everything. Add the thoroughly rinsed quinoa and moong dal to the sautéed aromatics in the pressure cooker. Stir well to ensure everything is evenly mixed. Next, season with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to your personal taste. Finally, pour in 2 1/2 cups of water or vegetable broth. This liquid is crucial for cooking the grains perfectly. To cook, close the pressure cooker lid and cook for 2 whistles on medium heat. Once done, turn off the heat and allow the pressure to release naturally before opening. Garnish your delicious Quinoa Moong Dal Khichdi with fresh cilantro and a small dollop of ghee for extra flavor. It's a comforting and nutritious meal ready to enjoy. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.